What if I told you that 95% of real estate agents are losing qualified leads? And that too because of one simple mistake in their lead form. So in this video, I am going to show you the exact lead form which we use for our realtor clients and generating millions of commission for top agent in 2025. And guess what? You can copy it for free. Look, I see it everywhere. Agents using basic content forms that looks like they are from 2005 with the same boring name, email and phone number. See, these generic forms are killing your conversion rates. The average real estate lead form converts at 2 to 3%. But what if I tell you that the form which we are going to provide you can get you to 15 to 20%? Is it fascinating? Of course it is, because that is 7x of increase in leads. So let's dive into the process. But first of all, let's talk about the psychology. So people don't fill out the forms, they make investment in their future. So here are 5 psychological triggers that make people want to give you their information. First is scarcity. So in scarcity, you provide something for a short period of time. And in this process, you provide something for short period of time that creates the urge in the client. Second is value stacking. You have to show them what they will get because that's how they are going to trust you. Third is social proof. Again, the trust factor. It will include your testimonials and your past works. Fourth is urgency, which is a time sensitive offer. And fifth is reciprocity, which is very important. And in this, you give first, then you ask about the favors. Because when someone sees your form, they are not thinking that should we fill this out? They are thinking of what is in it for me, and we are going to answer that question immediately. Now the second thing, which is design, how your form should look like, because design matters more than you think. And here's what separates to a beginner form to a professional form. Number 1, the visual hierarchy. Your headline should be huge and benefit focused, not any random contact us thing, but you can say something like find your dream home in next 24 hours. Now number 2 is progressive disclosure. What is progressive disclosure? Don't overwhelm them with 20 fields. Start with the basic, then get specific. Number 3, which is also a very important thing, which is mobile optimization. You have to optimize the form for the mobile because most of the people are using Instagram, Facebook or any other website in form only because people usually use mobile. Now the third is smart qualification questions. What is smart qualification questions? You should not ask any random question to the leads because that's not how you can filter out them. So instead of asking what is your budget, you can ask about their range. What is their range? Are they comfortable with this budget or not? Because that's how you can filter out those leads. Then you can ask about the timeline. Let's suppose we are in a real estate world. Then in real estate, what we can ask, when you want to buy, are you just looking or a serious property buyer? Are you an investor or an end user? And you can ask about they are serious, they will tell you everything because they want to buy the property. And if they are serious, they are going to answer your each question because they want to buy the property. And at last, you should have a good call to action at the end of the form so that after filling the form, they should know what they are getting and when they will receive a response from your side, because it will create a trust in their mind. And I will show you the exact form which we are using right now for our Dubai realtors to generate leads, and even you can copy the exact thing. So let's go to my computer screen. So this is basically a lead form which we have designed for one of our Dubai clients, and we are running ads in India for them. We are generating investors in India for them. So this is the basic form structure. This is the headline which I was talking about. So here what is written: invest in luxury Dubai apartments starting from 2.5 CR only. 2.5 CR is roughly around 1.2 million dirhams, you can say, or 1.1 million dirhams. So this is a form structure. Then we have mentioned all the details, all the benefits which the clients are getting, which the leads are getting basically. So this is the basic detail which we provide to the lead before they fill out the form. So here it is mentioned about the property, about what is the rental lead, what are the perks they are getting. So this is also you can put. And now after this is where the form starts. So first of all, we ask the client, would you consider a 2.5 CR investment for Dubai property if ROI is 8 to 10%? So this is the straight away question which allow us to know more about the lead. So if the lead says no, then the form will not submit. If he says yes, then they will continue to the form. Then this is our first question. Then second question is how soon they are looking to invest. Like what is the timeline? Is it 1 month, 2 months or more than 2 months? So they can put the timeline also, and the lead can select any option, 1, 2 or more than 2. So if the lead is selected 1 month, then what they will see? So they will see something like this: please provide me your WhatsApp number. This is what we ask, and they have to type it manually. So here on the third question, what we have asked to them, they have to manually fill their WhatsApp number. So if someone is manually filling their WhatsApp number, it means they are interested, because before that we have given them the option, but here they have to fill it manually. So they have to put their WhatsApp number number. Then after this, we have asked about their email, full name and number. Now I want to explain you what this form will do, and after this they have to slide in also. If you see, they have to slide in here, slide to submit. If they don't slide, the form will not be submitted. So these are the minute details which we have covered in our form, and I will explain you each and every step of the form. So with this question, what we will do, we will filter out those who don't have the budget. Now after this, we will see how soon they are looking to buy, whether they are a hot lead, warm lead or cold lead, because this will tell us the lead mindset. Now after this, because if they are filling the WhatsApp number by themselves, it means they are interested. So these are the key factors. We have created the urgency, we have asked about our questions also, and on the last page what we have written is our executive will call you within an hour, so that they can get an idea when they are going to have a call. So as you have seen my form structure, this is what you can use to generate leads, to qualify them and to get best results. And see, it is not a rocket science, it's a very basic practice, and we have learned this through the experience, and you can copy them and you can get the results. Now if you want my help in setting up the appointments, generating leads and follow-ups in real estate, then there is a Calendly link in description. You can book a discovery call and I will explain you each and every step on how we can help you to grow your real estate business. And if you want, you can start with us, otherwise you will walk away with lot of clarities. So I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, then do subscribe to the channel, because I upload real estate marketing content frequently.